Hey there, welcome to Craftility. This video is specially for quilling beginners. You can create these beautiful quilling tags or card by using 4 basic quilling shapes. So let's get started. If you are new here, then do subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for notifications. For this project, I am using a tag which measures 7 by 2 inches. Now take 3 mm yellow strip of 8 inches and roll it using slotted tool. Take out the rolled coil and place it in 15th circle of your circle guide. Allow the coil to unroll. Once the coil is unrolled, glue the end of the coil. Hold the coil with both the hands and pinch it from both sides. Thus, eye shape is ready. We need to create 8 eye shapes. Now take a glitter tape and glue it in the bottom of the card. Leave little space in the bottom where you can write your wishes. Now take 3 mm green strip of 3 inches and apply glue to it and stick it on the tag. Before gluing, it is good if you place all the shapes on the tag so that you will get an idea where to stick the petals. Once you have placed all the petals together, you can glue them on the tag. Now take 3 mm brown strip of 10 inches and black strip of 8 inches. Glue both the strips together and start rolling from black strip as we want black color in the center of the coil. Create a coil and apply glue to the end of the coil before taking it out from the tool. If the coil is uneven, you can roll the round handle of the tool to make it even. Once the coil is ready, apply glue and stick it on the card. Now take a green strip of 8 inches and create a coil. Place a coil in 16th circle and allow it to unroll. Once the coil is unrolled, apply glue and pinch it from both sides. Again we have created the eye shape. So create 2 such green eye shapes and these will be the leaves of the sunflower. Stick them on the tag and sunflower tag is ready. For second card, we will create a tulips using 2 basic shapes. For this, again I am using a tag which measures 7 by 2 inches. Now take a pink quilling strip of 8 inches and create twisted eye shape. First we have to create the eye shape same as we have created earlier. Roll the strip and place it in a circle. Allow the coil to unroll. Once the coil is unrolled, glue the end of the coil. Hold the coil with both the hands and pinch it from both sides. Twist it in opposite direction to create alphabetic S-like shape. Create one more such shape. Again take 3 mm pink strip of 8 inches and create a teardrop shape. Create a coil and place the coil in the circle. Allow the coil to unroll. Take it out from the circle and glue it. Hold the coil with both the hands and pinch it from one side. Thus, one side would be pointed and other side would be round like a drop shape. So, we have created a teardrop shape. For creating one tulip, we need two twisted eye shape and one teardrop shape. Create one more such set. Now take 3 mm green strip of 5 inches and again we will create small eye-like shape. First create a coil, then allow the coil to unroll and glue it. Hold the coil with both the hands and pinch it from both the sides. Thus eye shape is ready. Create one more such green eye shape. Now take 2 inches of pink strip and glue it in the bottom of the tag. Now take green strip of 4 inches and apply glue on the edge of the strip. Take tweezer and hold the strip and glue it on the tag. First we'll place the petal and then we will stick them on the tag. Stick both little twisted eye shape in opposite directions and stick a teardrop shape in the center of twisted eye shapes. Thus one flower is ready. For the flower I am using 3 inches of green strip. We'll repeat the same thing. We'll apply the glue and stick the green strip on the tag. Then we'll stick 2 twisted eye shapes in opposite directions. And teardrop shape in the center of the twisted eye shape. Now stick the green small eye shape on the stems. This would be the leaves of the flower. Thus, the second tag is also ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and the basic concept of quilling basic shape is clear. See you in other quilling videos. Till then, happy quilling!